Hello, this video is to help give you a little bit more information on how to access your Office 365 account and Flipgrid. So if you go to Johnson Community College's homepage and you click on student email and you scroll down, you click log into your email, and then I'm already logged in. It's going to take you to a login screen. You just put your email address and then your password. So this is your Office 365 account. You have many things available here, so it is a good idea for you to become acquainted with them. You have your email here, your OneDrive. Your OneDrive is a cloud-based storage that you get free with Office 365. The benefit of it is you being able to save files to it that you can access from anywhere that you can sign into your email. So if you do an assignment and you save it on your computer at home, and then you forget to send it to yourself or turn it in and you're on campus, you wouldn't be able to access it. But if you get in the habit of saving it to your OneDrive, then you would be able to sign in and get it. You also have all of the Microsoft versions of the programs, the online programs available. You don't need to use those. If you have them on your computer already, download it. You can use the full versions. So Flipgrid would be posted here because I use it, so it automatically posted to my dashboard here. But if you don't see Flipgrid here, you can click on all apps and then scroll down, and it'll show you all the different apps that you have available by having access to Office 365. If you go all the way down to the bottom, you'll see Flipgrid. Later in the semester, we'll use Padlet, but if you click on it, it'll take you to Flipgrid. This one's going to take me right to my admin Flipgrid account. I apologize for the video that the other gentleman did being confusing, because when you go to Flipgrid as a student, you just need to enter a code. It's not actually an account that you're creating, because you'll just always enter the code, and then once you create a video for it, you'll be able to go in and access it. So that's all you need to do for now. If an assignment comes up where you have to create a video, I'll post a new code and you can just go to flipgrid.com, or you can access it through your 365 account, whichever you find easier. Thank you.